Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let's see what is your energy ngayong October. Scorpio, you have the Hermit. Okay, ito yung tipong iiwas ka muna sa maraming tao, no? You might be meron kang aayusin sa sarili mo. Pwede ring merong shadow work, no? You are doing the inner work, kumbaga. Pag-iwas kasi, no? Maaring you are going to stay away from a lot of people. You may be healing, no? Healing from can be a painful relationship or a situation. Pwede rin tong sa yung physical, no? So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Scorpio? Six of Cups. So, this is related to your past. Maaring ngayong October, meron kang i-heal from your past relationship. Pwede kasi nagkaroon ng reconciliation, pagbabalikan with a person na na-involve ka before. Pero, maaring hindi nag-work for you. And you are healing from that. So, let's see naman yung iyong opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Scorpio? Eight of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to master your craft. This is also being more focused on your money, your finances, working really hard, getting all those coins. A lot of hard work. Maaring meron kang nire-research, inaaral, related sa trabaho mo. You may be attending a lot of trainings here and there. So, isa rin yan sa way mo to cope with your healing process. And let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Scorpio ngayong October? The High Priestess. So, this is knowledge. Your blessing is you have a very strong intuition that's why it's much easier, mas madali for you na mag-decide or to see through the situation if this is going to be okay with you or not. You have this certain wisdom na parang you know what to do. Very spiritual yung energy nyo ngayon, Scorpio, ngayong October. And of course, late ng October, diba, Scorpio season. So, it seems na you have learned a lot. So, that yung learnings mo na yon, nagbigay yun sa'yo ng wisdom. And yun yung blessing sa'yo. Yung mga kaalaman mo na yan. Yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng strength to move on, to move forward. And yung iba sa inyo nagpapalakas ng inyong spiritual energy. So, let's see your money. Ano yung money energy for Scorpio ngayong October? Four of Wands. So, there's stability. Freedom. So, financial freedom is what I'm seeing for you. Kung ano yung needs nyo, yung needs ng family mo, nami-meet. Okay? You're very creative rin as well. And if you have a family, I see you na you are helping each other. Nagtutulungan kayo sa family ninyo para mas maging maayos yung kalagayan ng finances ninyo. Maaring sa family ninyo, lahat may income. Yung iba pwedeng meron kayong paglalaanan na property, no? Bibilhin na property ngayong October. So, your career is the 5 of Cups. So, meron ditong loss. Maaring yung iba sa inyo aalis sa isang trabaho, sa isang career, may pagbabago kayong gagawin. Or this can mean may regrets, no? May regrets sa career path that you are taking and you feel like you need to make some changes. Pwede kasing feeling ninyo may missed opportunity kayo sa career ninyo. But actually, yung mga missed opportunity is not really meant for you. Kasi kung para sa'yo yun, sa'yo talaga yun eh. So, I think you are also realizing na meron ka pang ibang paraan, no? Or meron bang ibang path, meron pang nakalaan para sa'yo sa career. And then for your love life, let's see the energy sa love life. You have the Hierophant. So, this is commitment. Maaring iba sa inyo magpapakasal. Oo, ikakasal. Ceremony rin kasi to eh. So, I think when it comes to your relationship, whether you are in a relationship or not, you have learned a lot. No? Marami ka ng learnings dyan. Nag-mature ka na when it comes to relationship. So, for you, meron man o wala, you are secure. No? Alam mo sa sarili mo na you are buo ka. No? Buo ka kahit na walang ka-relationship. And if you are in a relationship, I see structure, I see stability sa relationship ninyo. What else, Scorpio? Yes, there's abundance for you. Fertility, some of you maaring mabubuntis, makakabuntis. So, alam nyo na kapag hindi pa kayo ready for that, be careful. Okay? And then, may good harvest kayo eh. May prosperity na parating. So, meron ditong roadblock. May mga setbacks. I think this is related dito sa career ninyo na may losses or feeling nyo may na-miss kayong opportunity. Para siyang blessing in disguise. Kasi it will lead you to abundance. So, let's see what else. Scorpio. Flower, be honest with yourself. This is authenticity, being true to yourself, expressing yourself, how you feel. Ito yung sorry, not sorry, unapologetic. Oo. For being who you are. And then, start a revolution. So, maaaring meron ka ipaglalaban. Meron kang paninindigan na prinsipyo sa buhay. Maaring may mga makakasama ka rito na ipaglaban yun. This can also mean maaring magiging member ka ng grupo or ng part of a society wherein meron silang pinaglalaban, no? For the greater good of the community or the society. And then, let's see what else. For Scorpio, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Okay. So, maaring ito yung isa sa losses ninyo or parang you feel like may disappointments. Okay? Maaring this is related to your career. Meron kang katrabaho na undependable or hindi totoo sa'yo. So, be careful dealing with those people. Protect your energies. And then, you have the Tower. Some solid foundation, success with effort. So, this makes sense with your finances here. Like what I mentioned kanina, may stability sa finances ninyo. This can also mean solid foundation sa iyong knowledge, sa wisdom mo, marami kang kakayanan, kaalaman, or may mga pag-aaralan ka na magbibigay ng katatagan sa iyong sarili and also sa mga talento mo, no? And kung ikaw ay mag-e-effort, no, sa iyong trabaho, sa career, sa project mo, ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo, you're going to be successful on that. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.